Ethereum bullseye 12% climb. Ethereum price is currently forming a cup and handle pattern on the 4-hour chart, suggesting a bullish reversal could be in the offing. In order for the bullish target given by the governing technical pattern to be on the radar, ETH must slice above the neckline at $3,398. The first line of resistance for Ethereum price is at the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level at $3,347. If the bulls manage to overcome this obstacle, ETH may aim to tag the neckline of the prevailing chart pattern at $3,398. A slice above the neckline may put a 12% climb toward $3,820 on the radar, validating the bullish chart pattern. Ethereum price will continue to face challenges ahead before the optimistic target could be reached. The following hurdle for ETH is at the 50% retracement level at $3,453, then at the 104-hour simple moving average, SMA, at $3,488. Additional headwinds may emerge at the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level at $3,558, then at the declining resistance line at $3,709, coinciding with the 204-hour SMA and the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level. Only a slice above the aforementioned obstacle would offer Ethereum price an opportunity to reach $3,820, intersecting with the resistance line given by the Momentum Reversal Indicator, MRI. However, if selling pressure increases, Ethereum price will discover immediate support at the 21 4-hour SMA at $3,245, then at the 54-hour SMA at $3,216, coinciding with the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level. An additional spike in sell orders may push Ethereum price lower toward the January 11 low at $2,979.